Hey guys, it's Dr. Hobbins from Hobbins Medical Direct Primary Care. In today's video, I wanted to do the top 10 reasons you should consider joining Hobbins Medical. So we're going to do this David Letterman style with the cards and the countdown. I don't have a drum roll, but I hope that you will consider these top 10 reasons for joining Hobbins Medical. So the first one, number 10, is no phone tree. So many of you have had the experience like I have when you call the doctor's office. There's a phone tree, you have to select from different options, you get shuttled from one department to the other, and very simply in Hobbins Medical we don't have a phone tree. We answer the phones directly, and if by chance we miss your call, we will call you back very quickly. Our staff is small, we know our patients well, and so we can handle your questions and concerns without having to put you on hold for long periods of time and without having to navigate a phone tree where you're always worried that you're going to get shuffled around or perhaps hung up on or have to wait a long time. That's number 10. Bad throw. Okay, number 9. No crowded waiting room. In fact, we are shooting this video from an empty waiting room at the moment. So one of the things that I know people don't like about going to the doctor's office is that they never know where or with whom they're going to be sitting. In our office, we really have little to no wait time for the appointments. Our patients who do wait can do so in the exam room if they choose. Of course, you can wait in the car if you'd like, but the waiting room is generally, it's yours to enjoy if you happen to be waiting for your appointment. So number 9 reason is no crowded, germ-filled waiting room. Number 8, this is a good one. Same provider every visit. At Hobbins Medical Direct Primary Care, I'm the only provider. I will be responsible for your care from start to finish, so you won't have to deal with seeing different providers, working with, different providers have different styles, and one doctor or nurse practitioner may be thinking one way, and then someone else comes in and reviews your case and takes it in a new direction, and that can create some confusion. In my experience, it can create some medical errors, and so the fact that you get the same provider every time is something that is probably lacking at other facilities, and at Hobbins Medical Direct Primary Care, I'll be the one attending to all of your healthcare needs. Okay, number 7, basic procedures are included. So doing this type of model, I actually have the time to perform procedures rather than refer them out. So the common procedures we do here are EKGs to check your heart. We can do pulmonary function testing, which has become important during the pandemic, see how you're breathing. We do stitches, we do minor and basic skin procedures, and we also do joint injections, especially knees and shoulders, some of the easier joints to target. So basic procedures, and also our point of care testing is also included in the membership. So strep tests, flu tests, RSV, urine tests, that sort of thing. So basic procedures included. Number 6, we have multiple visit platforms. So telemedicine is included with Hobbins Medical Direct Primary Care. Texting is also included. So many times, instead of having to make a return visit, I may just have a patient text me a photo of their rash, or they may text me about how their symptoms are progressing as days go by. So we have multiple visit formats. This too can increase your convenience. It can also make it to where we're again following up together versus having to go back and see another provider or a different provider. And we do it in a way that is convenient for you. So multiple formats for your visits. Number 5, price transparency. So really when it comes to billing at Hobbins Medical, all of our members pay a low monthly fee and they know exactly what that is going to be every month. We do offer discounts to various groups. We have nuclear family pricing, and there are some discounts available. You can check that out on our webpage. But more and more often in healthcare, when your medical bills are run through insurance, a lot of times there's surprises. The bills are inflated because insurance does not reimburse the full cost of the bill, and sometimes that inflation gets passed on to the patient. So here at Hobbins Medical, we preach price transparency, and so anything that would appear on your invoice from our company will have a clear explanation, and you will know what that charge is for and how much it is for before it appears there. So if we prescribe medication out of our dispensary, you know how much that's going to be. If we order a blood test for you, you know how much it's going to be. The membership, you know how much it's going to be. So there's no surprises. And we're also transparent about the fact that there is not an ongoing commitment. All of our contracts auto-renew every month. However, if you choose that you need to leave the program or it's not working well for you, you're free to do that. And so we're transparent about that as well. Number 4, this is becoming a good one. No waiting at the pharmacy. Okay, so having a generic medication dispensary right here in the office. We are administering medications, placing them right in your hand in the exam room or in the parking lot, as we did just a moment ago. We don't have a drive-through. We don't have long lines. In many cases, you don't even have to get out of your car. And so I know recently I had a prescription at the pharmacy that I was trying to pick up. I went there 3 or 4 times, and every time I went there, the line was too long for me to even wait in. So we're saving you time, and we're also saving you money with our generic dispensary. So no waiting at the pharmacy. Number 3, discounts. So we love helping our patients save money. We have steep discounts on lab tests, and for many of our patients, including those with good insurance, we save them money on their blood work. So that's probably the biggest place that we save money. Next would be with our generic medications. These come at cost pricing, basically. Those savings are passed on to our patients, and consistently, again, even our patients with very good prescription insurance coverage are often surprised to find we can beat those prices, and you can take your pills home with you. You don't have to make another stop for those. So labs are discounted, meds are discounted. Through our network of other healthcare providers, we have also secured discount cash pricing for imaging studies, and we're expanding and developing a network of specialty providers that offer cash pay discounts. So we definitely love helping our patients save money. We know that it's a new model that takes some grasping for many patients, and because our patients do pay us directly to take care of them, we immediately seek out ways to help them save money elsewhere. We seek to be financial advisors for our patients so that they can make wise healthcare decisions. So check out and learn more about our great discounts. That's number 3. David Letterman's cards flew around better than mine, but at least I get to make a mess. Number 2, no more rushing. Longer visits. So we pride ourselves on being able to take our time with our patients. There's just not the rush that you may be accustomed to experiencing when you go to the doctor. We have the time to discuss every concern that you have, go through them all, and so you are able to enjoy the visit with a clear head and not be worried, when is this provider going to run out of time for me and get up and leave. There's no more prioritizing things like, I really got to ask about this, and if I get to this, great, and if not, I'll do it next time. We really get to go through the whole list every time. So a lot of times doctors dread seeing the list come out here. I know that I have the chance to go through the entire list. We answer all the questions, and that's what being a good primary care physician is about. So number 2, no more rushing, longer visits. Number 2. Okay, and the number 1 reason, thank you for watching to the end, the number 1 reason that you should join Hobbins Medical Direct Primary Care is my doctor is available when I need him. So what's really great is we have an answering service. It's a members only private line. You can text it, you can call it. We have a same day, next day guarantee for urgent needs, so our patients are not waiting and generally not being sent other places when they have a need that arises. We really try to avoid sending our patients to urgent care and so forth. We try to be available to them. So the norm is a same day or next day appointment for urgent needs. It's also that you can text or call if a problem arises that you need addressed quickly. The other thing that I pride myself on is being able to take care of you if the need arises for hospital care. I'm on staff at Munster Community Hospital, and really appreciate the opportunity to be involved in my patients' care when hospitalized. So lots of different ways that you can get a hold of me, and so I'm there for you whether you're at your home, need an office visit, need to be checked out in our parking lot, or if you wind up in the hospital, I'll be there when you need me. So thank you for making it to the end. If you want to find out more about our practice, you can visit our webpage. It's hobbinsmedical.com. There is a button there you can click on Enroll Now. If you would like to become a member, you can also call and join the practice at 219-627-2465. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. You made it to the end. we are going to be offering $50 off the enrollment fee for anyone who enrolls and mentions code TOP10 and try to make our services more accessible. If you have any questions, my email is on our webpage, and you can call us at 219-627-2465. Thanks for watching till the end. Take care.